Beagle, he was like modeling his kid. Like I saw about Tuesday, 3:02 a.m. Yeah, I like the dogs.
Alright, let's get to the exclusive video of Those are the few words. See you later, Gangsta Jim. They are just dating. I got the dog! I want medical attention! Hi, my name's Robbie Shapiro. We have breaking news of this vicious man-eating dog and its rightful owner. We have one witness about this. His name is Jimbo James.
Oh, hi y'all. Well, my name's Jimbo James. I was just be like walking on Route 66, and I saw this dog. He was like this beagle. He was like modeling this kid. Like I saw about Tuesday, 3:02 a.m. Yeah, I like to walk at night. Yeah.
Okay. We have one more witness.
Do you have any soup?
We have one more witness. His name is Gangsta Jim. Gangsta Jim, come on.
Hey, dude. What's up?
Alright, so what you gotta tell about this vicious dog and its rightful owner?
What dog?
The human, flesh-eating dog.
You mean my dog?
What?
My dog's a poodle.
Oh, get out.
I like dogs.
Alright, let's get to the action. Let's get to the action.
I'm here. Where's my soup?
I'm Robbie Shapiro. Ow! My name's Robbie Shapiro. We have breaking news. Jimbo James just sent in an exclusive video of Gangsta Jim getting attacked by the vicious dog and the rightful owner. Take a look.
Oh crap! Look at it's the dog.
My name is Robbie Shapiro and we have breaking news. We have great news and we have bad news. The great news is Gangsta Jim is alive and with us here today. But the bad news is, well, his arm bit off. He has a few words to say and he's gonna tell us how he feels and how everything happened.
I was just walking down the street and this dog just came up and attacked me. I don't know like why it did, but it just attacked me. It was the most scariest thing in my life. That's all I have to say.
It's alright. Now we have one more person to speak with us. His name is, as you know, Jimbo Jim. Yeah, what do you have to say?
Well, I want to say this dog had gone too far. I want to put a stop to this dog right now. I'm going to go get my net. Actually, I don't have a net, so I'm just going to go catch that dog. If it's the last thing I do.
Alright. Those are the few words. See you later. My name is Robbie Shapiro. We have breaking news. We have Jimbo Jim and Gangsta Jim. They are just gaining energy on this vicious dog. You feel the wrath. They're gonna get this dog. I might as well go help him.